Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add inventory to your Shopify store. Managing inventory helps you keep track of your products and ensures your customers know what's in stock. We will walk you through each step so you can add and manage your inventory with ease. Let's get started. From your Shopify dashboard, look to the left side to find Products. This is where you will see your inventory. Simply click on Products. Under Products, you will find Inventory. Here, you can view key details about your inventory, such as on-hand, available, committed, and unavailable. You can also add items by clicking Import, or you can add and edit items one by one. To import products, you can upload them as a CSV file. For now, we do not have a CSV file to import. Once your inventory is set up, you can make reports on all your inventory. And that's it. We have successfully added inventory to your Shopify store. Now you can keep track of your products and manage your stock more efficiently.